welcome back to Growing with the Lilies, where we are growing our dream backyard and garden one plant at a time. Today, we are going to be transplanting this mango tree. So, if you're new here, we are in the process of getting a 15 by 30 in-ground shotcrete pool installed. So in preparation for this pool, we had to remove quite a few plants, one of them being this mango tree. Now, the good thing about this is that my brother and husband were able to remove the entire mango tree with the root ball just yesterday. Today, we're going to be planting it into our official orchard designated space, which I'm super excited about because I've always wanted an orchard. I just didn't have the space to do it. So now that I have the space, I'm super excited to get this area developed, all with plants that I already have here on the property. So one thing that I do want to make note of here on this channel is that we are really about slow and steady progress. So, because we are just a regular, traditional, middle class family, a lot of these projects are going to take time for us to complete, mainly because our monies are not unlimited. We are on a budget. We are trying to make sure we stay within that budget. And so that means that the progress is probably going to be a little bit on the slower side. And that's okay. If it's one thing that I've learned thus far with gardening, it's that everything cannot be done overnight. And that is the beauty in the journey. And I'm super excited to see the transformation of the space. If that's something that you are interested in and resonate with, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And let's go ahead and get this tree in the ground. I wonder if it's rock. I wonder if it's rock. See, we're at the root ball.
Yeah.
See? AJ, he got it. Look it. He got it. AJ, he got it. He got it.
I'm over here trying to remove the battery. You got it. Green light.
That's the root ball right there.
Your jackhammer?
I think it was because I hit it with jackhammer.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It was good. You got it.
I think.
Actually, it was.
Yay! Woohoo! You got it! You got the whole root ball!
In a few years, y'all gonna have a mango tree growing under the pool.
Oh my goodness! All right. just made a little discovery. Well, before the discovery, we have made a minor change to the location of the orchard. So originally, we were gonna have it located directly behind me, and um, we just felt like it was a little too crammed in this area. And if we were to do it here, we would basically be sharing the orchard space with like the kitchen garden. And so we currently have this pine tree here, which it just makes it feel a bit cluttered. So we have decided to move it over to the other side this way. So this will be the final orchard destination. We already have some existing fruit trees here, so it kind of works out. There's already an established mango tree there. There is a Mexican apple tree. And so for the discovery, I just found out that this is a guava tree. So it came up because we were kind of looking at this area and just feeling like it was a little crammed and maybe one of the trees needed to be removed. And when I say one of the trees, I mean this tree to my left, because the pepper tree is our favorite tree. So as I was looking at the other tree, I noticed some small little fruits on here, and if you look closely, there's a flower, which means that it's some type of fruit tree. I put in Chat GPT and it is a guava tree. Now, I'm not the biggest fan of guava. However, it's a fruit tree. And so I'm sure I can find something to do with the guava. And I'm super excited about it because when we moved here, I was under the impression that we didn't have a single fruit tree on the property because nothing was in bloom. But now things are coming up, and I'm just super excited at how much fruit trees we are actually discovering that we currently have here. So Michael is currently digging a hole with the auger, and then we're gonna go ahead and put in the mango tree. Alrighty, you guys, we are done transplanting this beautiful mango tree. I did have to run and take our youngest to swim class, and when I returned home, it was in its final destination. So I'm super excited about this orchard transformation beginning with this mango tree. I would say it's roughly around 4 to 7 years of age, and honestly, I think it's done quite well given the conditions. In the last video, I did share that we don't have any active irrigation out here in the backyard. We did discover that there is water. We have seen some lines that could potentially be active, but for not really getting any water and really just relying on rainwater, I think this mango tree actually looks in great shape. So I think as we get out here and we give it some more TLC, we can expect a lot more production. We did lose a couple fruit pieces in the process of taking it up, but I know that with just a little bit more care and water, some fertilizer, we are going to produce that much more fruit in the years to come. So for now, this is kind of going to wrap up our orchard section. We've got a couple more pieces that we need to move over here. We have another mango tree. We have a citrus orange tree that need to find some homes in this area as well. But that's going to be pretty much it. You will see that the mango tree sits directly in between two California pepper trees, which actually grow very large. But I'm not too worried about it simply because we're going to be moving these guys pretty soon to another location on the property. So if you guys are interested in following along in our slow but steady backyard transformation, feel free to hit that subscribe button and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.